Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, what we will do today? So pretty much today we will actually talk about crypto.com. I have for some time actually delaying tutorial. I don't know why. I think I know why, but I'm not sure why. It's like laziness, I believe so. So yeah, I'm using iPad because, as you know, crypto.com doesn't really have um, like web page browser, let's say like Binance or blockchain and all others. So it's more or less it's an app. So I guess that's why, and it's not like it's Coinbase. So yeah, you can see like all different applications right there, sweat coins. Um, yeah, but yeah, we will actually talk about crypto.com. So if you have your phone, iPad, whatsoever, so just put it crypto.com. So we're gonna get it, I believe. Install. And yeah, we're gonna we're gonna use it. So yeah, it will be like a tutorial. So in description down below there will be invitation link for all of you guys. As you know, invitation referral links helps me and helps you with better deals, gifts, presents. Yeah, everybody likes free stuff. So yeah, so the link will be down below. So this is the first part of this tutorial. There will be a couple of them. So let's start first of all with um with registration and just dealing with that. So I don't think it will be very long first video, so I believe the second part will be longer part. So yeah, let's wait till it's downloads. Let's check what they have here. Hmm. Crypto tracker. Hmm. I have a little bit stuffed nose. Um, so I think this is why I'm making interesting sounds. Um, Sometimes it's good to scroll, but here as well, crypto exchange. So that will be as well in part of the videos. I don't remember. I think I just did video regarding Spectral coin. I didn't touch Bankara. What I will do in the future, so that's good. I'm gonna write it down. Um, it's good to browse to see. It's still downloading, so let's. Okay, it's done. So this is how it looks like on iPad. So we're gonna log in. So we're gonna actually create an account. So I kind of forgot which email to use. Um, uh, so um, okay, we're gonna use this because I think this is which one I actually remember. I don't know why I'm making this all the cracking sounds. Check your email for confirmation link to continue. Oh, okay. So let me go. and try to find it. The one thing is to find it. The other actually is to open an email, because it's in two different places. So I am actually kind of trying to access, but yeah, but in different place. Okay, so I believe what we have to do is just kind of go back. So let me kind of leave this section over here and just let me try to kind of understand like which email can I use. So let me write it down. Okay, I'm gonna remember it, I believe so. So, okay, so it's here. Okay. Oh, there it is. I think I made a mistake. I think this is what happens when you're a little bit... It should be iCloud. I don't know, like, what been happening with me. I think it's correct now. Yeah. The things happens, you know. So, let me do it right here. Let's open mail. So let's wait. Okay. Open. Okay, let's put the number. And let's look for the phone. Oh my god, I think when you actually do it on laptop, it's a little bit different than doing it on iPad or phone. I think like on phone it's more more comfortable, let's say it. I still haven't received any message yet. Yeah, the number is actually correct. I believe so. So far, nothing. Let's try to resend it. Nothing is happening. Let's wait. Okay, I've received it. So it's 121449. Okay, so let's add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And afterwards, I need to remember this code. So let's write it down. So verify your identity. So okay. Okay, so I have to select a type of document you wish to scan. So it has to be issued by Lithuania. So I'm now in Lithuania, so this is why you see Lithuania. So you can add passport, driving license, identity card. So let's say if you have passport from different country but you're visiting this country or other, so it will ask you. So if you change to Israel, passport or driving license. So I have to scan my passport. So I believe that this is the section where I stop, because scanning and sharing private details, and I believe the video when you actually scan the things will be stopped. So this is what I meant, that first part will be really, really tiny. And so yeah, so this is what I meant. So let's say if you're from different country, I mean, you have here all the countries. So let's just click. So if it's Romania, you see identity card. So if you're from European Union, obviously you have three options. So it's passport, driving license, identity card. But let's say if you're, let's say, from Canada, you can just choose passport. If you are from other, so yeah, so this is the short first part. So second part, I will be recording soon enough for you guys, so you will be able to see it. And yeah, I think the second part actually will be coming in the month of October, because if you know, I record every Monday. So this video is coming on 18th, and next week on 25th I'm recording other first part. So it will be like episode first part, second, you know. So yeah, I hope I will see you everyone very, very soon. And yeah, bye.